What is DeFi? Is traditional banking on the verge of extinction? Welcome to the FinTech Uprising. Today, we are diving deep into the world of DeFi, exploring how FinTech startups and decentralized protocols like ULIT are rewriting the rules of finance. DeFi or Decentralized Finance is a new financial ecosystem built on blockchain technology. No banks, no middlemen, just code and users. Through smart contracts and open source platforms, DeFi lets anyone lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest anytime, anywhere. Think of DeFi as banking without bankers. Platforms like Aave, Uniswap, and Compound are giving power back to the people. And the numbers don't lie. Billions of dollars are flowing through these decentralized platforms. At the same time, fintech startups like Revolut, Stripe, and Chime are eroding the dominance of legacy banks. They are mobile-first, user-centric, and lightning fast, offering better rates, fewer fees, and smarter tools. Combine that with blockchain and you will get financial revolution. FinTech and DeFi are not just competing, they are collaborating to create borderless, permissionless, 24/7 financial system. Take, for example, ULIT, a rising DeFi protocol, and its flagship cryptocurrency called ULIT Coin. Both are aiming to decentralize digital identity and personal finance. With ULIT, users can earn yield by staking, swap assets without intermediaries, and even use it as collateral in smart lending protocols. More than just a coin, ULIT represents a movement towards transparency, autonomy, and trustless finance. It's designed to empower unbanked populations and digital natives alike. So, it's the end for traditional banks? Not quite, but they've been forced to adapt fast. The rise of DeFi and FinTech, it's a wake-up call. People want control, they want speed, they want fairness. Regulations will evolve. Some banks may embrace blockchain, others may vanish. But one thing's certain, finance, as we know, it will never be the same. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below. Do you trust DeFi more than your bank?